Introduction. Here come the sweet potatoes. And here's the Sunday meat. I guess we must be ready now to eat, eat, eat. We all like to eat tasty food. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define food, tell sources of food, know about the protective food, differentiate between vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food. We all need food to live. We eat different types of food every day. Food gives us energy to work and play. It keeps us healthy. It helps us to grow strong. We get food from plants and animals. Friends, plants give us fruits and vegetables. They are good for us. Animals give us meat, eggs, and milk. Hey friends, food protects us from various diseases. The food that protects us from falling ill is called protective food. We should eat lots of spinach, cabbage, beans, and fruits. There are two types of food. Food can either be vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Do you want to learn more about it? Come, let us learn. Fruits, vegetables, milk, and all milk products are vegetarian. Generally, we get vegetarian food from plants. Your favorite cheese and ice cream is a vegetarian food. Eggs, chicken, meat, and fish are non-vegetarian food. We get non-vegetarian food from animals. Summary. Let us have a quick look on what we have learnt. Food gives us energy and helps us to grow. We get food from plants and animals. Protective food protects us from diseases. Fruits, vegetables, milk, and all milk products are vegetarian food. Eggs, chicken, meat, and fish are non-vegetarian food.